Hello and welcome. My name is Jutin Al Ahmed, and today I'm going to be unboxing, or should I say unwrapping, the Lexar Professional SDHC card. So as you can see here, this is the 256 gigabyte Lexar Professional card. I'll show you the front and back, just so if you want to pause you can and have a read of it. But yeah, so this item here, the reason that I've purchased it, I've actually also got a CF Express card. It's for my FX3, my Sony FX3. I thought I'd get this as a backup just in case. It's SDHC, so it goes directly into my MacBook Pro. You don't need a, well, I don't need an extender. But let's get to the actual product. Now, this is a 2000X as it says here, which basically means that it's got a 300 megabyte read and 260 megabyte write speed. It says up to, this is a V90 card. You can film up to 8K on this. There's a SDHC UHS-II card, Gold Series, Lexus Gold Series. There's a Silver Series as well, which is 1677X, I believe, which it goes up to around 120 reading right, I believe. I may be incorrect. Please do DYOR, do your own research and all. But yeah, so this 256 gigs. It doesn't match with my CF Express. As I said, it's just a backup, and it's also a quick release one. Say if I ever need to just quickly just put it into my MacBook, because I don't know if you guys obviously can see my MacBook here, but there's a slot here where I can just directly put it in rather than connecting my CF card. Let's not forget though, just a quick thing, CF obviously has up to 900 megabytes per second, which you need with this 422 codec. It's crazy. So one thing regarding this, if you were to, on an FX3 for example, to record in 4K 120p slow-mo, you won't be able to with this card. This is a V90, it'll record up to 4K, yeah, and it just won't record up to 120p. Obviously, I've not tested this. Some people get lucky somehow, and the V90 allows them to, but from what I've read on the specifications, it won't allow you to do that. So let's begin with the cutting up, lol, because this isn't really an unboxing, is it? But just so you know, this card is known to be very durable. I'm joking. So this card is meant to be known to be very durable, and if you ever have any issues with this card, apparently Lexar will assist you with like replacing it and stuff. I'm just gonna do a mark here because I just want to feel like it, because I'm not. This isn't really an unboxing, is it? It's me tearing this card open. Let's see if this will dig right in. Hope my hand isn't there, so hopefully I won't cut it. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Very nice, very smooth. I didn't damage the card as you can see, and a quick cut out. Very smooth and nice. Hopefully that was very entertaining for you, and yeah, that should hopefully make this video much more appealing, because this unboxing is actually a cutting up of a plastic card. I hate actually cutting these because it's very tough to. There we go. Let's push that out. What would have been funny is if I actually broke the card in the video, right? That'd be even more funny. This card is actually ridiculous because it's very expensive. Now, let's just show you here, just on my hand. This card, yeah, this card is ridiculously expensive. But do you know, everything with the professional grade and the fact of being cinema line is just expensive. But yeah, I'm going to leave that on top of the candlestick there because hopefully it won't be shooting down. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and this I don't want to call it unboxing, this cutting up of the Lexar, the unraveling of the Lexar Professional SDHC card. If you did, pop a thumbs up on this video. I would really appreciate it. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on that subscribe button. the notification bell button, and not on the X browser, lol. The X on the top. Comment down below if you had anything that you wanted to ask me or talk about. And if it's weird, obviously I won't be responding to that. But yeah, lastly, let's not forget, everyone. Lastly, let's not forget. Together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. See you all next time. Take care.